Hi, first class, Mr. Dunk here, and we are back in our Planet Maths book. I hope you had a nice few days off for midterm, and we're starting off with something we have done a lot of already, looking at two-digit numbers. And today we're looking at the number 19. You might be wondering why we aren't continuing on with our previous topic, which is on length. However, the reason we're not is because there are some really fun activities that we can do on length, and I'd love to be able to do them with you in person. So I'm going to hold off on finishing length until we're back in the classroom. So for today, we're looking at two-digit numbers again, and it's number 19 today. Really straightforward. We've done so many of these. So let's have a look. Get my pencil. Nice. Part A, write in the missing numbers. So there's a lovely number line for you. That number line will become very useful for you today and tomorrow. And I would like you to fill in the missing numbers. It's in ascending order, which means it goes from smallest number to the biggest, in a perfect pattern going up by 1, which is how we count. Okay, so I'm going to let you do that on your own. I'm also going to let you do B on your own, which is tracing the number 19. How do we write the number 19? Well, we start at the top, and we go down for the 1, and we start at the top. We go down for the 9. Now, how I do it, I go down, and then I go back up, and do the curve. However, once you go to the bottom, it is actually probably neater if you let go of your pencil. Oh, take your pencil. No, don't let go of your pencil. Take your pencil off the page and then go back up to the top and finish off that curve like this. Okay, but either way, it's fine. Part C, we're looking at 2D shapes and we're looking at colors. So it's a little bit confusing if you don't look at Mr. Dunk is tripping over his words. This is why I need to do those tongue twisters. It might be a little bit confusing if you don't read very closely. So these first three are simply asking you how many squares, how many rectangles, and how many circles there are in this 2D picture of a tree and a house. After that, you have to go back in and look at your squares again, but this time only how many red squares there are. So don't count the yellow squares or the blue squares or whatever other color squares there are, just the red squares. Same for the circles, only yellow circles. And finally, only the blue rectangles. A little hint for this one, there may be more than one shade of blue. Okay, all blues count. Part D, you have your 19 cubes. I love this activity because I've seen so many amazing pictures from you in people using different items for making up the number 19 and splitting it up within the two cubes. What have I seen? I've seen Legos, I've seen marbles, I have seen, what else have I seen? Dice as well. So what will I see today and tomorrow, I wonder. And then once you've done that now, expert tip, if you're struggling or you don't have 19 of anything around you and you want to break up this 19 into 2, get your pencil and just draw a line between them all. Now it's not going to be a straight line because they're all gathered in such a way, but I'm going to go like this. I feel like a maze, isn't it? And how many do I have on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm just going to write little number 8 to remind me there. And on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I know that 8 and 11 makes 19 because there are 19 cubes here at the start for us. Then I can draw them in my hoops. Okay, if you do that with a pencil, you can rub that line out as many times as you want and draw some different routes through the cubes. Split them up and put all your answers in here. Don't make it too complicated. Remember the things we've learnt. What happens when you add a 0? I think you know what 1 less than 19 is? So 1 plus what equals 19? Anyway, just a couple of ideas. I know you've got this first class. Good luck. See you soon. Bye.